CMTL stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Comtech, the telecommunications stock, is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. First thing that I'll mention is we had 22% gains. That's just Friday, right? So let's check out the higher time frame chart. Okay. It's not that immaculate. I mean, it's normal market, so it's cool. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, gotten thousands of my predictions. And I'm using my edge that I refined over that time. What I'm specifically looking at right now is this 4-hour range that we're in, which is still bearish, by the way. So what does that mean? It means that for me to count this as a bullish market, I would really need to see just a break above 408 with a full candle close on the 2-hour chart. And if that 4-hour chart, and if that happens, then I'm cool. But like in the meantime, if I start to see like proper double breaks beneath these lows, right, then it's also going to be a market that I'm not going to, that I'm just simply going to short, right, as long as the rules are met though. So in between two worlds, just more data, more candles to appear, so more time needs to elapse, right, until we come to a conclusion. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.